Alright guys, so today start closing up the ceiling and the walls. First we're gonna start on the bathroom area, bathroom and the shower area. So we're gonna start the ceiling first and then the wall. I just installed the ceiling first, and now we're gonna be working on the wall. Alright. Welcome back here again to my bathroom project. So right now we're about to start the waterproofing membrane. So we're going to be using the schluter curly water membrane system. Right. All right. So let's do this one. All right, that one there is my last one to do. All right, so now today we're going to install the shower tray. So, the floor, I just wet it a little bit, just like that, as you can see. All right, so absolutely. All right, so there's two space, both ends on both sides like that, because we don't have enough. We don't have the length of this one to go all the way. Right, so what you could do if it's like this is which has gonna use the dry pack cement, which is this one here. I'm gonna be using sand mix. Yeah. This one. So you're gonna be using that to fill up those gaps there. All right. Morning guys, welcome back here again to my bathroom project. So what are we doing right now? So we're going to be continuing preparing the membrane system for this curly slaughter. So now we stopped here last time, so now we're going to be continuing putting all the corners. Alright, and then after that we're gonna put the D-trap. So I have everything here with me. Alright, so I have this one. This is for the either this is for the shower head, but I'm gonna put it on the handheld. I'll put it here. And these are the 4-inch that goes around the corner. Usually sometimes it goes in here, but I don't need it because I already overlap it, right? So, but this one here I'm gonna put it on right on the bottom. All right, let's do this one. Oh, here's the corner. This is for the corners. So in here, because it's pretty much like open concept, right? So I only need two, that corner and that corner only. I don't really need here because it's going to be a glass panel on this on the outside, right? So we don't need to put 4. I have, how much I have in here? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I have everything with me. All right. So we have everything, and then we're just gonna mix our thin set, and then we'll go from there. It's ready. Wow. All right, everyone. So right now I just finished all the preparation for the slaughter systems, and so now we're about to do some tiling. Okay, so now we're ready to tile. So pretty much I'm gonna start on the flooring instead of the wall. We decided to tile this instead of putting the full tile here first. So we're trying to do it the other way around, right? Because I didn't really like the strips that going in here, right? So alright, so I like using these ones. So right now we're doing this one.